Ever wonder about the mysteries of a sneeze? The human sneeze is a marvel, a bodily function that's as intriguing as it is necessary. An average sneeze propels air from the lungs at an astonishing speed of 100 miles per hour. And it's not just air, my friends. A single sneeze can launch up to 100,000 germs into the air, but don't fret, most of these are harmless and some are even beneficial. Ever tried to sneeze with your eyes open? It's impossible. Your body automatically closes your eyes to prevent any potential harm. A sneeze isn't just a sneeze, it's a fascinating display of the human body's intricate workings. Until next time, chew, subscribe!